Hey, it's me, Jamila, with Designs by Pink again. I thought I'd come and show you guys a really quick tutorial on how to get amazing mockups without having to learn Photoshop. I have been searching the internet, the web, for forever for something more simple than like Photoshop mockups, and I stumbled upon Place It. Um, It's super simple to use. Place It is super duper simple to use. So I'm going to show you how to take your design space designs, save them, and then place them on a mockup. So I have a few things that I've designed and I need to put them in my Etsy shop still. So we're going to start with this one. So the first thing you do is go to design space, right click, save image as. You can name it or you can just click on something. And then I'm going to go to Place It. And what I want is a t-shirt mock-up because that design is being sold on a t-shirt. You can scroll down here where you see tags and you can decide who you want. So I know I want a man. I also want this on a black model. And that's just preference. No shade to anyone else. I don't know why that lady is showing up under men, but okay. So I need to find a really cool shirt, a really cool model, somebody I really like. I mean, there are literally thousands and thousands and thousands of um, mock-ups. I think I like him, even though it's not what I was looking for. So we saved. We got to remember where we saved it to. I think it's here. Adjust your image. Crop. Nope. I want to reposition because I want it up higher. I like to place mine about 2 inches below the neckline. And I also put it on a black shirt. I don't know, it seems larger than what I use, so I'm gonna make him a little bit smaller. Readjust again. Crop. And we have our image. So, is that the same guy? Anyway, so we're going to download him. You will either have to buy single credits at $8 or you have your monthly plans also. I will leave a link down in the description. So you just click on download. Oh, I'm not logged in. All right. I already have credits, so I'm just going to click on download. It sends me a very high quality PNG image. So it downloads here to my drive, and I will show you that. So these are all my downloads. I've never look at this add effects, but I'm not going to add the effects. So you just click on it to download it to your computer, and you got all kind of stuff going on. Nope. There's our image. So now I'm going to take this and upload to Etsy along with, some other images, because they always say you want to use at least 5 images on your listings. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. And the link to place it will be down in the description.